Generac man with tailor-made quality services. I have the carburetor off, so now I'm finna thoroughly go through it. From the smells of things, I'm gonna have to clean it or so. So bear with me, I'm finna go through this thing. Want to remove the drain screw. Have something to dump it in. Yeah, it's yellow. That's bad. Okay. Stay tuned. Okay. I'm back. Okay, this is the tedious part. Trying to get this open. Yeah, it's really dirty in here. I smell it. It smells bad. So, I know it's going to have to be cleaned. Oh yeah, that jet clogged really bad. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Let me get to this.